case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1982 Supreme Court case, Oregon v. Kennedy, the court ruled on whether a retrial of a defendant who requested a mistrial during their first trial was allowed under the Double Jeopardy Clause of the Fifth Amendment. The Oregon Court of Appeals had initially decided that a retrial was not permitted due to the Double Jeopardy Clause. However, the Supreme Court ultimately overturned this ruling, stating that the lower court's interpretation was too broad. This case centered around the idea that a defendant can only be barred from reprosecution if the error leading to the mistrial was intended to provoke a mistrial request from the defendant, and that the defendant can be retried if the mistrial was not caused by prosecutorial or judicial overreaching. The respondent in this case had been charged with theft, and during their first trial, the state called an expert witness on Middle Eastern rugs. The respondent's lawyer attempted to show bias by asking if the witness had filed a complaint against the respondent, which he had. This led to the prosecutor making a comment about the respondent being a crook, prompting the mistrial request. The trial court denied the defendant's double jeopardy claim, and they were subsequently convicted. The Supreme Court ultimately determined that the Oregon Court of Appeals had made an error in applying the Double Jeopardy Clause, allowing the defendant to be retried as the mistrial was requested by them and not caused by prosecutorial or judicial overreaching.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.